In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a testimonial grid or slider in Elementor. We'll start right inside your WordPress dashboard. First, open any page with the Elementor editor. You can either create a new page or edit an existing one, but the key is to make sure it opens in the Elementor interface, where you see your page in the main area and the Elementor panel on the left. Once your page is open in Elementor, look over to the left panel. This is where all the widgets live. In the search bar at the top of that panel, type Testimonial and look for the Testimonial carousel widget. When you find it, click and drag it onto your page and drop it where you want your testimonial grid or slider to appear. As soon as you drop it, the widget will be selected and its settings will appear on the left. By default, you'll see 3 testimonial items already created. Still in the Content tab, you can manage these slides. To remove a slide you don't need, click the small X icon on the right side of that slide. To add a brand new testimonial, click the Add Item button at the bottom of the list. If you like the layout of an existing slide and just want to reuse it, click the duplicate icon on the right side of that slide. Next, click on any individual slide to expand it and edit the details. You'll see a content field where you can paste or type the actual testimonial text. Keep this short and readable so it looks good in the design. Below that, click Choose Image to open the media library. Here you can select or upload a photo of the person who gave the testimonial, or any relevant image that represents them or their brand. Then, in the name field, add the person's name, and if you like, add their title or role in the title field. This helps make the testimonial feel more credible. Still in the Content tab, you'll also see options for skin, layout, alignment, slides per view, slides to scroll, width, and more under additional options. These settings control how many testimonials show at once and how they behave as a grid or slider. If you want to control the visual design, switch to the Style tab. Here you can adjust the look of the slides, the content text, the images, and the navigation arrows or dots so everything matches your site's branding. Finally, switch to the Advanced tab for more detailed options like layout tweaks, motion effects, transforms, background, borders, masks, responsive settings, attributes, and custom CSS if you need deeper customization.